So today's video, we go to McDonald's and Jack treats me to eat McDonald's. So I tell them you treat me, right? She's so kind and very sweet. No, it's already in the video. You can don't worry, they don't see you, okay? I just show your head. So we're in Maonshan Town Plaza. Kakatapos lang ng class niya sa NP. Tapos kakain kami ng McDo. Tapos uwi. Hindi pa pala. Antayin pala yung yung daddy niya. Shh. His dad is there. We need to inform. So now he's here. So she's the one who ordered. She's very nice. Always lucky this guy. This baby, still baby, even he's 9 years old. Lagi niya akong tinitreat, birthday ko. Tapos, really? Tapos minsan pag birthday ko, kasi bibili ng cake. Tapos sabi niya ngayon, yung gusto niya, i-order din niya ako para matikman ko. Anyway talaga, mapagbigay talaga yan siya. Pagbigayan siya. Hindi tinitipid ng nanay ba? 120 only. Why am I expensive? See, complete order then. If I can finish, I give to sir. Okay, let's go. Wala siyang pakialam sa presyo. Mag-order ka na lang kung anong gusto ko. Magbili niya ako. So maybe I find a chair for you and you could, or I find a chair for you and I take it here. Maybe very closer to the toilet. Naghanap kami ng ano guys, ng upuan. Jack, maybe here? She's leaving already. Jack, sit inside. Then I take the order for you. Siya daw kukuha ng order namin. Ay, loka talaga sa bata ito. So let me see. What's the number? 519. I think it's that is here. 579.
They are all out of 30 size.
Oh, really?
Probably the last day.
Or release limited also?
Yeah.
I thought it's not.
So curry price is
Which one? This is our 579. Go 579. Right? Very careful, okay? I do it first then. No, I scan. I go back for you. Are you sure? I go back din, come on. Santa na. Tatakot ako baka mahulog. Jack, you have tissue? Where? Good job. So, special talaga in order niya. Nahiya kaya yung lalaki nito niya. Can sit over there. Okay. Just watching, sir. So you can eat now. What's this?
Otherwise, the queen.
Can you put there? No, put in your bag. It's more safe.
Burger.
You want to try this? Still same.
It's so small. Before it's so big.
Maybe they're cheating.
No, actually, it's so big before. So small. I can eat yours.
Ooh, that looks exciting, the taste. What's that in the middle? I think I asked her to eat the other one. Spicy? Yeah, it's okay.
This one, no onion. That's yours.
No onion? You do customize it? Oh, that's why you asked me then. Sir is here. here. Oh, mom. Sending photo.
Can I just drink?
Yep. Ay.
Try your face.
Huh?
Try your face.
Wait first. Mom is sending photos. This is in McDonald's. Where's the tissue? Can I have tissue? Thank you. Did you ask do you have a ketchup? I forgot to ask. I asked the spicy. Yeah, but when you ask the spicy, you're asking $1. They said you go McDonald's and you eat the Jack and then sir will come also late. You okay? It's too much this. Ah, luckily you have. That's cool.
Like Thai sauce.
Yeah, I love that spicy also. Okay, sorry. Can go out then. So may hinintay kami si aming lalaki pero wala pa. So kumain na siya. Hindi ko siya sinama sa video kasi hindi gan sila inano sa social media, bawal. Pero minsan naman pinopost ko siya sa Facebook pero hindi talaga yun sa YouTube. Kahit may YouTube yun sila pero